I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by BitcoinWell.com, the simplest and quickest way to buy Bitcoin in the US or Canada and get it directly into your own self-custody. Check them out today at the links down below.
Being around other Bitcoiners is a special thing, because especially Bitcoin-only meetups, because you can connect with somebody and you have so many of your base layer values are aligned. So you're conversing and meeting somebody for the first time, but you know that half or more of what you believe about the world is the same. So it's this super fun thing. It's like, we all speak to it like normie land. Like, it's super hard to deal with people who don't understand Bitcoin because they get lost in the, all of the details around what I call the old world, the pre-Bitcoin world, the pre-discovery of true scarcity, the pre-discovery of inviolable property, right? And so people who don't understand that, it's, in some sense, it's like the conversations are a little dull and boring because you want to just communicate to them like, hey, Bitcoin changes so much of this. And until we can, integrate that, we don't even know what our real problems are. Mm-hmm. And yeah, the energy is really is high. I think Bitcoiners, because of the time preference, people have something long-term to look forward to. And so on average, they're healthier and they're more optimistic. Mm-hmm. And for me, it's really empowering and energizing to be around such a large group of people that have so many aligned values, that are so optimistic about the future, especially when things are so dark in the world today. There's such political divide. There's so many challenging things going on, and it's really easy to get sucked into that. Yeah. And one of the things that I really love about Jeff Booth's work is he mentions all the time, he's like, look, he spends all his time in the new system. He slowly but surely ended up getting all in on Bitcoin. He works in on Bitcoin. He's got ego death capital. And he mentions all the time, he doesn't yell at the old world because it just strengthens the old world, or the old system. He focuses on the new system. And that's a pretty, inspiring thing.